Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Avatrade. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Avatrade offers traders a variety of tradable market instruments such as Forex, stocks, commodities, options, indices, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. The website is easy to navigate, and all relevant information is easy to find. Instruments are organized accordingly, and you can access educational resources directly from the landing page. By going to the About section, you can learn more about Avatrade's regulations, awards, the company, and more. Avatrade is also offering a sign-up bonus, where a minimum deposit of $200 can earn you a bonus deposit of up to $40. The welcome bonus offered is available for a limited time only and will expire after the 30th of April 2022. Keep in mind that this bonus is intended for real accounts only, and traders who sign up with a demo account will not be eligible for this sign-up bonus. Avatrade offers a retail account, professional account, Islamic account, and demo account. The retail account caters to a variety of traders despite their trading experience, and it is adequately tailored to various trading needs and objectives. It features a transparent fee schedule and a variety of features. The retail account might be better suited for beginner traders as well as more advanced traders who have accumulated some experience, but who may not qualify as professionals just yet. Avatrade offers traders with negative balance protection when they register a retail account, and the retail account features a minimum deposit of $100, a maximum leverage of up to 1 to 400, fixed spreads that start from 0.9 pips when trading Forex, 0 commissions charged on trades, and more. To qualify as a professional trader and to subsequently gain access to opening a professional account, traders must have trading activity for over 12 consecutive months, the necessary trading experience in the financial sector, or a financial portfolio of more than 500,000 euros or more. These are strict requirements that are EU regulation compliant, and in addition, the professional account offers traders with tight and fixed spreads, commission-free trading, and a variety of other benefits and features to add a competitive edge to trading. A demo account is offered by most brokers, and Avatrade offers this with the purpose for beginners to practice and who wish to improve their trading skills and experience. It can be used by traders to test Avatrade's platforms and offerings without having to risk their funds, and it can also be used by traders to test their trading strategies in an environment that mirrors a live trading environment. Avatrade's Islamic accounts serve the purpose of catering to Muslim traders. Muslim traders who trade with Avatrade and have an Islamic account are therefore exempted from overnight fees. In addition, Avatrade also offers its Islamic account holders with halal gold or silver trading, halal oil trading, Islamic Forex trading, and tighter spreads. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Avatrade Web Trader, as well as Avatrade Go and Avatrade Options. MetaTrader 4 creates a powerful and flexible trading environment, is easy to use, and is one of the most powerful trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 5 offers state-of-the-art trading capabilities, more technical analysis tools, order types, timeframes, and graphical objects. Avatrade Go is Avatrade's intuitive application, which is supported on Android and iOS devices. You can watch markets develop in real time, enjoy a smooth trading experience with a sophisticated dashboard and a complete set of management tools, and you can trade more than 250 instruments, all from your mobile device. Avatrade Options is also a mobile application, which is available on iOS and Android devices. Avatrade Options allows you to take control over your portfolio. You can trade more than 40 currency pairs, and it offers full money management features to let you trade multiple accounts with one ticket. It also features risk management tools, portfolio simulations, and more. Avatrade's Web Trader provides a variety of trading solutions for any level of trader. You can check open trades and perform new ones from any browser without downloading. It was specifically designed for novice traders with an easy-to-use interface and modern design. You can get push notifications and all the trading necessities for the ultimate results, including market and pending orders. Buy and sell assets in seconds. You can get accurate data on what Avatrade's traders are buying or selling in real time, and stay on top of the market without spending time on technical or fundamental analysis. Opening an account with Avatrade is easy. First, visit the official website of Avatrade. Click on Register Now or Demo Account, depending on your preference. Fill in your personal details, and once you have filled in your details, click the Create Account button. Then you will need to verify your account, so head over to your email address and verify your account. Next, you can sign into your dashboard. Traders who are opening a retail account will need to complete their KYC documentation. Once the documentation is completed and you have been accepted, you can deposit money into your trading account and finally sign into your trading platform and start trading. In our case, we are going to be signing in with MetaTrader 4. Fill in the username and password that you got from either creating your real account or your demo account. And just like that, we're in on MetaTrader 4. This is your dashboard on MetaTrader 4. On the left side, you have your market watch. Your graph is in the center, and at the top you have a variety of options that you can choose from. If you would like to learn more about platform functionality on MetaTrader 4 or any of the other trading platforms, you can check out their educational resource panel, which features tutorials in platform functionality for you to learn from free of charge. Speaking of educational resources, Avatrade offers some of the best trading education, from trading video tutorials, beginner articles, trading rules, market terms, economic indicators, and more. Avatrade's video tutorials feature trading platform tutorials, the basics of Forex trading, trading specifications, market and technical analysis tutorials, and a variety of other educational trading topics. Avatrade's beginner's trading guides feature written educational trading topics that cover everything a beginner would need to know about Forex and financial trading, from risk management, technical analysis, market terms, online trading strategies, to how to value cryptocurrencies, how to trade stocks, copy trading, financial derivatives, and more. Avatrade also provides a trading ebook that explains the financial markets, rules, strategies, tips, and more, which can be downloaded for free. Since its opening in 2006, Avatrade has earned many awards and honors from various reputable organizations. Their more recent awards include the #1 Innovation, Top 10 Brand of 2021, the Best Forex Broker in Ireland, the best retail broker in the UAE, the best fixed spread broker, the best mobile trading platform, the best affiliate program, the #1 broker, the best Forex broker, the most innovative CFD broker in the UK, the Global Forex Broker of the Year, and many, many more. Avatrade is a multi-regulate Forex and CFD broker that offers everything from advanced trading and charting tools for experienced traders to in-depth guides and video tutorials for beginners. We recommend Avatrade if you are new to trading or seeking a broker that offers swap-free accounts, or if you would just like to try new platforms. Avatrade offers the full package and is suitable for traders with all levels of experience. And with more than 100 awards won since 2006, this is definitely our #1 broker. And that is our overview of Avatrade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.